Hello, and welcome to another Danfoss Drives product store tutorial. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the Add to Cart and Clone configuration feature. This feature allows you to add a newly configured drive to your cart while also bringing you back to the same configuration where you can make any changes necessary fast and easy. This is extremely useful when quoting a large project where the same configuration is needed in multiple power ratings or enclosure types. To begin, configure the drive you need in one of your dedicated Danfoss product configurators. If you are unaware of how to use the configurators, please watch our previous video on the configurators for a step-by-step walkthrough. Once you have made it to the Review Configuration screen, locate and click the button titled Add to Cart and Clone Configuration. The configuration will be added to your cart and you will be directed back to the previous configuration screen. Every selection you made previously within the configurator will remain the same, and you can make any changes to the configuration fast and easy. In this instance, I want to add a 5.5 horsepower drive to my cart as well as a 7.5 horsepower drive to my cart. As you can see, the Add to Cart and Clone feature allows me to do this super fast. Once you are done making any changes, click on Review Configuration, where you have the option to add to cart and clone the configuration again, or add to cart and proceed onward with your quote or order. And there you have it, just another great feature that will help optimize your experience in the Danfoss Drives product store. Stay tuned for more Danfoss Drives product store tutorials. Thanks for watching.